In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Base44 to Stripe and set up the integration step by step. So the first thing you want to do is already have your project created inside Base44. I have my project ready, and inside the chat, I simply asked Base44 to integrate Stripe for payments. It gave me clear step-by-step instructions, and the first thing it told me to do is enable backend functions inside the dashboard. So let's do that. Go to your Base44 dashboard, then click on Settings. Under Settings, click on App Settings. Now scroll down until you see Backend Functions. By default, this option is turned off. Before you turn it on, keep in mind you must be on an upgraded plan for backend functions to work. If you are on the free plan, it will not allow you to enable this feature. Once you have the upgraded plan, just toggle the backend functions option and click Activate. After activation, Base44 will ask you to provide your Stripe API keys so the system can connect securely to your Stripe account. Now open your Stripe dashboard in another tab. In Stripe, go to the left side and scroll down to Developers. Click on Developers, then select API Keys. Here you will see your publishable key and your secret key. You can either create a new restricted key for extra security, or if you already have one, just copy your existing secret API key. This is the key we need to connect. Go back to Base44, paste your secret key into the Stripe API field, and click Save Secrets. Once you save that, Base44 will automatically connect to Stripe and enable checkout and payment functionality for your app. And that's it. Stripe is now successfully connected to your Base44 project, and you can start handling payments inside your app. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more guides like this.